and welcome back to another DIY face mask. So this basically face mask is from one of the face masks in India. It's called Ubtan face mask. As you all know, people in India do very natural regarding to beauty. They have their own natural face mask, body wrap, and even some lip scrub. So Priyanka Chopra and her mom basically shared this recipe in Harper's Bazaar YouTube account. I really love Priyanka Chopra, and she marries to Nick Jonas. Today we're going to test out the mask, going to list all the ingredients in the information box below. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is basically my bare face. I know I still have a lot of active pimple, but anyway. Alright, so we're going to try Priyanka Chopra famous face mask. Her mom Mommy Madhu, thank you for the tip. She has an amazing face mask tip that she shared to her daughter, and most of Indian has these natural ingredients where they make their own face mask, a body scrub, a lip scrub, everything about beauty they all do in natural way. Like turmeric, some sandalwood on it, what else? There is a lot. So basically this face mask helps to remove your some hairs in your face, and also a great for moisturizer and exfoliators. So it's like 3-in-1 mask.
Try to square, not being there, but it's there that I should have been. Hold back the river, let me look in your eyes. Hold back the river so I can stop for a minute and see where you hide. Hold back the river, hold back.
And then we're just going to mix it and make it into a paste. Oh wow. Oh wow. So this is our Ubtan face mask. Now let's try to put it on my face. I need to find a better light. Okay, since the sun is going down in our apartment, we need to go right ahead for using this face mask. So don't mind the background, as you can see. Kaya mo lang sila dyan. So let's begin with the Ubtan face mask. I have this consistency. Some tutorial they're using a facial brush, I may say, but I can use a spoon or in my hand. So let's see. I think, oh wow. Okay, ang arte ko pa, may brush pa. I can even use my hands. So, ang bango. I like the smell. And that cooling sensation because of the yogurt. And my forehead. So you're just going to apply it all over your face and then wait for 15 to 20 minutes to dry up. Yep. Oh. What? So we're just going to wait for 15 to 20 minutes to dry it up, and then alright guys, so while we're waiting for the mask to dry up, according here it says that Ubtan is a paste made from turmeric, saffron, sandalwood, chickpea, and seeds of yellow mustard, but we use a different kind of ingredients according to Miss Chopra. Ubtan has a lot of benefits in our skin and in our body. It fights skin infection, it cleanses and tones the skin, improves complexion. It's almost dry. Oops, no, not yet. By the way, if you're asking, I also did a patch test on my hand, but There's no allergic reactions, so I think we're okay. So this is the update of the mask. It dries here. Still wet on this part. I'm so silly because I put a lot. And also this, but it's already 20 minutes and I don't want to leave them much longer because I don't know what will happen. And the next step is you need to rub it off gently. So I'm just going to put you guys here. I'm going to rub it here. Can you hear it? Let's see if this upper part, it removes my facial hair, the mustache. Oh, I like it. Oh, this part is so soft. It's okay.
Stop for a minute and see where you hide. Hold back the river, hold back.
Okay, it looks like my face brightened a bit. Parang puti yung mukha ko. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell if my face brightened a little bit? I think so. Wow, it's soft. So there you go. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Oh, by the way, if you want to watch Priyanka Chopra and her mom's interview by Harper's Bazaar, I'm going to link. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Hold each other, lonely.